Peace and black power, everybody. I want to welcome you to another episode of Max Crypto News, where we talk about these intangible crypto coins, altcoins at all times. With that being said, man, hey, like the video, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumb up, leave a comment, and I thank you for taking the time out your busy schedule to be here, either if you're watching the live or you're watching the playback. With that being said, we got a nice show set up. We're gonna talk about what's going on in the crypto world, and also we're gonna review a wallet called Nexo wallet. We're gonna do a quick review. With that being said, I want to give my panel member opportunity to introduce yourself to the family.
Hello, this is Richard, the financial advocate out of Little Rock, Arkansas. Glad to be here. Now let's get this money.
That's what it is, family. With that being said, I thank you also for taking the time to be here also, brother. So let me share my screen. And what we're going to do, we're going to go straight to the charts. We're going to go straight to coin market cap. You see the market cap, $358 billion. That's a good sign. When you see 358 billion, it looks like it's going up. So you can see Bitcoin at around $11,345. That's always great. It's up in the last 7 days. It's up 6.2 to 26%. You got Ethereum at $373. It's up 5.72%. You got Ripple at 25 cents. That's up on 2.38% in the last 7 days. Bitcoin trash. Binance coin at $28.42. It's looking good. Chainlink at $10.61. It's up 12.73% within the 7 days. Litecoin looking good at $50, and Cardano at 10 cents, up 10%. So it's looking good, family. That round out the top 10. We're not going to go no further on what I want to do. We're going to look at the Bitcoin chart real fast. We're going to read the chart, see what's been going on. Give me a quick second. Loading. It usually don't take this long to load. So let me exit out of this. I'm going to refresh this, and we're going to get back into this. See what's up. All right, there we go. All right, so right here, let me move this around. So we're gonna go to the 5-day chart. You can see in the 5-day chart that Bitcoin has started rising. Actually, on the 10th, it went from $11,050 up to over $11,300, and we've been round. It's been moving sideways. That's always a good sign. Right now, we're above the 200 moving day average. We want to stay above this 200-day moving average. If we go a little bit closer into the 1-day chart, you can see how we had a dip. It got up to around $11,430. That was the high. It hit resistance and it fell down. You see in the daily chart how it fell down. But you know what I'm saying? But that's what Bitcoin does. We want to see this. We want to see that sideways action moving from left to right. When you back out and look at the 3-month chart, you can see how Bitcoin, it rose, it moved sideways, it fell, now it's starting to rise again. That's always good. You always want it to rise, consolidate, and go back up. You don't want it just to keep going up, because if it keep going up, eventually it's going to fall off the cliff. So you want it to go up and then consolidate. And then when you look back at this 6-month chart, you can see it. It's been rising, it consolidates, it rises, it consolidates, and now it's moving back into the rising stage, family. Look at this 1-year chart. Besides March, when we had that dip, other than that, things is looking good as far as Bitcoin, family. So I'm gonna get up out of here. We're gonna exit this screen. And what I wanted to do, I'm gonna go to a little crypto news. But the first thing I want to do, I want to talk about something called Nexo. Right, Nexo is a crypto banking wallet, right? And what this banking wallet does is it pays you interest daily on your crypto, right? And not only does it pay you daily interest on your crypto, it also allows you to borrow money on your crypto, right? So what I want to do it's called Nexo banking on crypto, right? You can earn 10% interest on your stable coins. You can borrow from the amount of money that you have in your crypto. You borrow off that. You can borrow if you run into a jam, and you pay 5.9 APR. That's your rate that you'll pay back on the borrowing. It's licensed in EU, licensed and regulated, right? It has a 100 million insurance on all custodial assets, meaning that your money is insured. A $100 million insurance on all custodial assets. That's very important to have something that has your money insured. That gives you a lot of stability and make you feel good about it, right? So far it's looking good. More than 800K instantly happy clients. Over $3 billion has been processed in 2 years. You have over 800K Nexo users, right? So you can see that this thing has started to take off. Now, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit. I'm gonna play a video, but you can see how you select your asset and you see and then you earn your interest, right? So it says you earn your interest, earn daily compound interest on your crypto, and they also take fiat currency that you earn interest on, right? Up to 10% annual compound interest, unique daily payout. This is the thing that makes this different than a lot of other ones. You get paid daily. $100 million insurance policy, basically. You can add or withdraw funds at any time, and there's no hidden fees, family, right? And see, then also you can borrow cash or stable coins, right? You can collateralize your crypto and borrow instantly with Nexo's crypto credit line. Now, what they do is but the interest rate is 5.9% on what you borrow, but that's yearly. All right. So let me see. I'm trying to find this video that I wanted to play. They're also gonna have a Nexo card that you can use. So now you can spend your crypto like you in a regular store, right? But let me see if I can get to this video real fast. Now the minimum borrowing amount is just $10, family. And then look, what's funny is it's no credit check with this. You can get certified within a day. Like as soon as you set up, you can get certified. You can get approved. It said the minimal amount for the instant crypto credit lines is now only $10 with withdrawing in stable coins. This is the lowest credit minimal in the entire crypto lending industry, right? By lowering the threshold for crypto credit, Nexo is improving accessibility to quality banking service and working to democratize finance, right? So it's trying to get you to sign up. Now, let me see if I can get what I'm trying to find real fast. So with the borrowing, where's this video? I'm gonna do it the hard way, right? So with this borrowing, family, it allows you to borrow. I don't want to log in, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop sharing real fast, so I can do what I need to do, so I can show y'all. You get paid your interest every day at 7 p.m. You get paid interest, family. No joke. Every day at 7 p.m. you get paid interest from your Nexo wallet, right? And you have a Nexo savings account, right? So what I want to do is I'm gonna share my screen, and we're gonna get that. Let me see. Let me get to it. All right, let me share my screen real fast. Here we go. And we'll get right into it, family. So make this big. Hey, can y'all hear that? Were y'all able to hear that? Okay, so the volume is on. All right, here we go. This is the video.
How to earn interest on your idle assets. The Nexo crypto banking account offers the fastest, easiest, and most secure way for you to earn a high-yield interest rate on your traditional currencies, stablecoins, and digital assets. In this video, we will show you how to start earning a high-yield interest on cash and crypto in just 3 steps. First, create your account and go to your profile page to pass the fastest KYC procedure you have ever been through. The basic KYC will let you earn interest on digital assets, while the advanced KYC will let you earn interest on fiat currencies. We also require you to activate 2FA so that your Nexo profile has yet another protection layer on top of our military-grade 256-bit encryption. Now you are ready to transfer your assets. To secure your Nexo account, you can send EUR, GBP, and USD straight from your bank account. Depending on the location of your bank, this transfer will take anywhere from 1 to 3 business days. You can also top up your account with crypto by sending funds from any other exchange or wallet. This transfer is normally processed within minutes. Once Nexo receives your assets, they will be automatically added to your savings wallet. Now you will start earning interest on the very next day. You can always review your account balances on the platform dashboard or in the Nexo mobile app. Your interest is automatically paid into your savings wallet so that the next day you begin earning interest on it too. In other words, your interest compounds daily, and you will see that the total amount you have earned keeps growing. When clicking on the Total Earned button, you will see detailed information about the interest you have earned thus far. Please note that for each asset you have 2 interest rates. The first is the base interest rate, which you would earn if you don't hold any Nexo tokens in your account. You can easily earn the higher interest rate if you have at least 10% of your savings wallet balance in Nexo tokens. The exact amount of Nexo tokens required for the higher interest rates in any given moment will be displayed in the Total Interest Earned page. You can easily buy those from our platform. By holding Nexo tokens, you will not only grow the interest rate you earn, but you will also receive dividends equal to 30% of the profits that the Nexo company generates. So to recap, create your Nexo account, then transfer your assets, and start earning interest. Regardless of the financial market conditions, your funds are secured at all times by Nexo's asset-backed portfolio of over-collateralized loans. Nexo is committed to protecting your assets by lending them to individuals and institutions only on an over-collateralized basis. Our interest rates are kept stable over time because of Nexo's risk policy to never lend without collateral, which basically eliminates counterparty risks. Also, at all times, you retain instant access to your capital while earning interest. You can withdraw funds at any time without losing the accrued interest. You can also add more funds to your saving wallet whenever you like. Finally, Nexo never charges you any fees or commissions for adding, withdrawing, or holding funds. It's time to say goodbye to your regular bank account and start growing your capital with Nexo.
All right, family. That was a quick video about the Nexo. What I wanted to do, I'm gonna go to on CoinMarketCap, and you can pull up the Nexo yourself. So you can come to CoinMarketCap, and you can see that right now it's worth 12 cents. So Nexo is worth 12 cents per share right now. And you know, it's ranked 118. The highest it was up to 60 cents, but that was during the pre-launch. And right now it's at 12 cents. But the trading value, they have paid over $5 billion out to the Nexo holder. I mean, 5 million they have paid out to the Nexo holders. So if you own this coin and you stake them, they pay you 30% dividend yearly for the staking of your coins, depending on how much you have in it, family. So do y'all want to comment, add anything on, say anything real fast?
Great job, brother.
I'm saying, do any of y'all want to say anything real fast? um, about any type of crypto, what's going
No, I'm
on.
good. You explained it pretty good.
You know, because like with, you know, at first, a lot of times, see, this is the thing that makes this interesting to me, right? Because a lot of times, people have money that sit and it don't draw interest, right? And when you got stuff that's sitting and you really ain't getting no interest on it, like what is the purpose of you having it and not getting no type of interest? And this is where what the crypto is starting to move into is wherein you start getting paid interest for them, the wallets and the different type of exchanges. Now they're starting to pay you interest for holding your crypto, right? And that is very exciting. And also that's something that we should be looking into, right? So like, so like with Nexo, right? Once you sign up and you come to your account, right, it automatically lets you see each day the amount of interest you get paid. So like as you can see, right here, a day ago, this how much I got paid in XLM. This is Stellar. So basically, you see, I got 0.54 over a half of a Stellar in 1 day interest. You know, Link, it show your interest, right? XRP, it shows your interest. Tron, it's every day you get interest added to your account, and the interest gets added to your total amount that you have, right? So with that total amount that you have, it makes your interest for the next day go up. And that's very important when you can see this and you can trade this every day. So like if I want to, I can take my interest off every day. I can take the interest and I can send it to my secure wallet and then keep getting, you know what I'm saying? Keep what I have in there, but just keep transferring the interest, right? But you come up with strategies on how to transfer the transfer. Like you come up with your own strategy. If you want to take it out daily, you want to take it out every 2 days, you want to take it out weekly, but you can see that you're getting paid interest on a daily basis, family, right? And right. Also, you know, one of the cool things is, you know, the credit line, you automatically get approved for a certain amount of credit that you can spend. So like right now, it says, I think my credit line is $339. So right now, I can basically take $339 out if I want to. And once I take that money out, I can spend that money right now, but I would have to pay that 5.9% interest. You get what I'm saying? But you know, the point of it is if you planning on taking the credit out, you want to make sure whatever you take out that the interest that you incur is higher. So I'm gonna give you a good strategy and then I'm gonna get off this, right? All right, if you can get paid 10% interest for your stable coin, right? But they charge you 5.9% interest on what you borrow, right? So let's say you borrow $100, and what you do, you get $100 in stable coins. You stake them stable coins. So now that $100, you're getting paid 10% interest for that same $100 that you borrow. You're getting paid 10% interest, but they're only charging you 5.9% interest for what you loan. So the interest rate that you're receiving from staking your stable coin is higher than the interest rate that they're charged you for borrowing the money. You get what I'm saying? So now it's a surplus. It's so basically you'll be gaining 4.1% interest rate off of borrowing from yourself on a daily basis. And if you do it yearly, it'll be off a yearly basis because they charge you 5.9% annual. Their interest rate is 5.9% on what you borrow. But if you stake stable coins, you get paid 10% interest. Do the math, man. So that's just little strategies that people can employ where you can borrow from yourself, stake it, and in your year, once your year is up, you will get paid more than you have to pay back. So it's a surplus. But you know, everybody come up with their own different ways of how they want to do things, right? But other than that, man, crypto market, I think Nexo is something good. Um, if I were you, I would look into it. It's better than keep our money in the bank. The banks ain't even giving us that percent interest right now. You know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, man, I want to give y'all opportunity to say anything, what y'all think, thoughts. We're gonna end the show because I know a lot of people got stuff to do. I'm not meant to be up here too long. Just wanted to do a quick introduction into Nexo.
Yeah, man, I'm definitely gonna look into that wallet.
Yeah. True Boy, you got anything to say, man, before I close out?
Nah, just gonna check it out and see what it's like. Try to see if I can work it.
Okay, yeah. If y'all got any questions, man, hit me up. With that being said, peace, family. I thank y'all for watching this episode of Match Crypto News. Stay in tune, stay in touch, you know what I'm saying? And let's get this money, family. Peace.